Hi everyone, this is Ms. Granger. In this video, we're going to go over the OPCVL for Lesson 4. It should be on the back of your Lesson 4 paper, sort of at the top. Remember that you have already analyzed your source materials, either from the Mexican Independence Movement or the Haitian Revolution. So make sure that you have that document out and ready so that you can then analyze it here. In addition, you will want to have out your Lesson 1 paper. Remember, Lesson 1 looks like this. You learned about themes of world history, primary, secondary sources, and then on the back, in the same place, is the OPCVL kind of outline. Now, you'll refer to these questions in order to fill in your paper for the Latin American Revolutions section. So again, for example, if I start in Origins and I see the first bullet point, what am I putting there? Well, I will refer back to my Lesson 1. I will look at the question, who is the author? And that is the answer that I will put into my notes. So your job this time is to analyze your document on your own and answer the questions from the OPCVL in your notes. You've done some good practice with this already, so now this is your opportunity to show your teacher how you are progressing with learning about analyzing sources. So be sure to refer back to this document from Lesson 1 to help you fill in this part of the document from Lesson 4. When you are done, go check with your teacher and tell them how it went. Good luck, and ask your teacher if you have any questions.